Hi captains, travelers, trailblazers, proxies, and attorneys. Today we will be doing a comparison on HoloQuest from 2023 to 2025. In this video, I'll be comparing the venue, the booths per team, and the freebies that we have obtained through the years. I'll be comparing first the stock cards. So for 2023, here's the back, and these are the stocks. And the link for 2024, yung back here, and here are the stocks. And yes, walang close up videos kasi hindi sinabi sa and this year, here's the thing of the HoloQuest and stocks. Syempre, kung makabetter yung page na. Kaya kung bayad tayo, diba? Building pass na. Bayad tayo. We spent something. So, of course, we should get something much better in return, right? Hunter Detector, good. And as you can see on 2023, it's much prettier and grander than 2024. In 2023, we have this book of Hunter Detector, and sa ganyan, you will be able to play the game. But nung 2024, tignan mo, medyo po, spinning wheel lang. But this year, I have to commend MiHoYo dahil ang laki nga naman talaga mo good for Honkai Detector. Next is Genshin Impact. And as you can see, in 2023, lagi mo majestic na kanyang group every year. But alam mo pinag-e-effortan every budget. May budget lagi. And ang gusto ko ng 2023 is there are really activities, there are PCBs, and what I really love the most is the Max part. Na parang, I don't know, I forgot kung ano yung need na mangyayari dyan, na parang if you obtain that pattern or that combo or whatever, you will obtain headband. Noong 2024, I think ganun pa rin yung itsura ng boot ni Genshin Impact. Hindi ko lang masyadong alala yun what's different, but it's still the same. Parang yung library sa Mondstadt. And this year, if we choose yung book natin, we choose the Natlan Gracious One. Ang sabi ng mga naka-obtain ng Fast Pass because it's sila yung pwedeng mag-choose sa mga sources. Next is Honkai area. So, not just lagi may budget. Kaya kung ano Honkai area. So, ano yung lugar ko, but it's after ng World 1. So, parang may World 2. So, ito yun, I think. I think we got the 10 concept. Talagang ang ganda ng budget. The best ang budget lagi Honkai area. And of course, in 2025, features are. So, yung pangkas na is siya yung pagkakas ko sa loob ng spotted color. And sa side lang yung so, ano siya. Next is ZZZ or Cyber Z. Next is Tears of Timmy's, and as you can see, noong 2023, at least meron pa siyang ganyan. Right? Pero noong 2024, wala talaga siya. Ngayon 2025, at least binalik naman siya, no? As for the freebies, I guess, post ko na lang siyang like, photo comparison each year. Tapos tinatawag na ako. Kasi yung article ko every year. Also, please bear in mind there are makakakita ko naman yun. Na-redeem. So, may HSR ata yung redemption lang is up until July 31st and the other games hanggang August 10 pa ang pag-release. So, yes, don't forget, this is the 2025 hologram tickets per booth. And this is the 2024. Yeah. Lastly, for the lead time, so we will be comparing the pictures that I have obtained. So first off is in 2022, and maybe I can just say for different pinag-isabi. So ayun, grabe, and grabe nga, parang entrance picture ng 2022. Then in 2024, ito siya. Para siya ganito, pero wala naman mag-network sector. And is in 2025, so much bigger na siya. I think, dati din, parang hindi na ako nito. Pero dalawang photo, parang bala. But this year, single photo na lang siya. And it's also by Photoman. And this year, mabilis talaga sila mag-print. If I have to choose, mas gusto talaga itong talagang bukod sa mas maganda yung material, mas maganda rin yung quality actually ng photo. Ito kasi parang motive ang mga person, and this one is quite blurry. Hindi kalinaw sa area na picture or it's just me. Yung mga spotlight naman, but just enough para may ilaw din. So please, not ready for shooting pictures. And of course, I have to say, mas maganda yung photo area this year than the previous years. Let's get bye-bye.